Got the LEM number 8 meat grinder, and it's 575 watt. Unboxing. Taking this is the cutting wheel. Extra gear. That was packaged well, so that's good. So actually, this is the big diameter. The small is on there, along with the cutting wheel is already in there. When you get it, this unscrews. Cutting wheel and this. So this is kind of good because you can see how it goes together. This is pinned, and then you screw this in. It is oiled up, so that's good. It says right on here, for grinding boneless meat only. Do not put fingers or foreign objects into the grinder head. Hand wash all parts. Do not soak. Do not put in the dishwasher. Very important. Incredibly, people don't follow those directions. Here's what they call the meat stomper. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, so we got the meat stomper, and it's plastic, which should be fine. The top comes off, and apparently the sausage tube is in there. And then also this. Imagine this works with the sausage tube. Alright, so that's the meat stomper and the sausage tube. Here's the meat tray. It is maybe it's aluminum, I don't know. And it says right on here as well, not dishwasher safe. And here is the grinder body. Alright. Tension. Be sure appliance switch is turned off and power cord is unplugged from electrical outlet before cleaning or servicing in any way. You got on, off, and a reverse button. A light telling you if it's on. I would assume you'd be hearing it. So somehow you put this in here and then lock it. You need to read the manual first. And so there you go. Cord is in the bottom. Alright, that's unboxed, and read the manual, wash up the the pieces and then show you how it works, or how good it works, hopefully. Alright, I've got the grinder all washed, hand washed, warm soapy water, dried. It's in the refrigerator right now, cooling down, and I'm going to get ready to cut up the pork. And so first things first, that should do it. Alright, well, I picked up some pork yesterday from Shaw's on sale, 99 cents a pound. That's pretty good deal. Get it while you can get it cheap. Alright. Alright, let's get going on this. Alright, so everything is out of the freezer. So very cold. Everything's been in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Putting the coarse plate on first. And tight. Here's the meat tray, also in the freezer. Tray of pork. It's been in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Get it nice and cold. Turn it on. Okay. Alright, meat grinder. Let me get that. I'll put the fine one. So there it is. Did a great job. I'm pleased with the grinder. It's went through it pretty easily. So very happy about that. As long as it lasts, it certainly ground what I needed to grind. LEM number 8 countertop grinder.